welcome to the final week, number 7 for the study of Ombre Afghan. We're now going to go from rounds number 57 all the way to 63.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without.
This is stuff that is pretty basic in crochet. We have double crochets, we have half doubles, we have singles, and we also are using those back posts again to create the raised up lips that you see here. So I don't think I need to show you this stuff, because the fact is that if you know how to single crochet, half double, and double, then you're good to go. So you can just look at the diagram. Now you see a half moon shape here. That means that we're going to be using the back loop. So whenever you have a stitch, then what's gonna happen is that you've been normally going through both. When it's a back loop, you go through the back loop only. So you just dig down in the middle and go and use that one. Now some people are really not liking that kind of stitch. If you don't want to use it, then don't. You can use both, it's fine. You don't need a permission to do that. And what's gonna happen with this one is that you'll see the textured lines that will appear if you're gonna use the back loop, and that's something that you can decide for yourself. So let's just quickly go through the rounds on what you need to do. Round 57, you'll do those back post double crochets. Remember, it's a half double crochet that we did before. It's what you've already done in this particular pattern. Round number 58, it is double crochet on the back loop only. Corners are 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. The next round is a half double crochet, so it's going to be chaining up 2, does not count as a stitch, and then half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, and then it's a half double crochet in the back loop only. Number 60 is that you're going to just chain up 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space, and then it's 1 single crochet in the back loops only all the way there. Now number 61 is the same as going here. It's a half double crochet, and then the 62 is back to the double crochet that you have, and your very final round that will finish off your summer will be number 63, and that'll be a single crochet. When you do the single crochet in the corners, it'll be 3 single crochets in each corner. Don't put any spaces in there because it's the last one, and you can just have some fun and determine what you want to do. The other thing I should tell you is that there is 2 different versions, version 1 and version 2. It depends on the color that you chose. So if you really look at it, the darker color version was a slightly different color orientation that was different. I was using different yarn colors for that. So version 1 with a work last 4 rounds, so with the color A for version 1, that is the one that is blue and yellow, and then version 2 is C with the color C, and that's the last 4 rounds with that one, which is this color here. So you can determine what you want to do, and this is a pretty easy way to go. We would love to see your creativity, and thank you so much for being part of our summer, and we will see you online on Facebook real soon. And have a good day, and we'll see you again another time.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight.